O surf tornou-se uma rotina para muitas pessoas em Muizenberg, Cape Town. Hoje iremos entrar no mundo dos surfistas e eles nos irão falar um pouco mais sobre a cultura surf.
Surfing is like, have you ever been to the super slides?
Surfing means a time to connect with the Lord.
So say it's big and it's boom.
Obviously express yourself in the water.
That's the feeling, you know.
There's no doubt about that.
Imagine going down the super slide, but instead of lying on your belly, you're standing on your feet. It's the greatest feeling, man. No, boom, that's surfing for you, it's boom. Surfing for my whole life pretty much, since I was 4 years old. It's excellent, you know, you get to enjoy the ocean, the good weather, the fitness, the ladies, and the sharks, you know, there's a lot of things involved.
And ladies and gentlemen, that was it. That's me, Kusi, from Triggerfish TV in Cape Town, Muizenberg, South Africa.
I've been surfing for like 16 years.
And for the guys in the water, you trying to stand up, you know, but you're splashing around. Don't give up, guys, don't give up. Just watch the pros, you know, you'll learn from them.